Hello friends, this is Sai Fanindra from SQL School and I assure you practical step-by-step classes from scratch for your DP-600 examination guidance with real-time project. DP-600 is all about fabric data analysis activities. The relevant job role, fabric data analyst. What exactly fabric means? Fabric is a Microsoft cloud platform for combining and implementing data integrations, data engineering, and warehousing activities. Fabric is a Microsoft cloud that is fully into analytic activities. We can perform big data analytics, reports, dashboards with wide variety of data sources, huge volume of data sources. Using Fabric, we can perform real-time data analytic activities. And of course, we use Power BI tools here. We use Power BI tools in Fabric Analytics. So Power BI is a part of our DP-600 examination program. So DP-600 is the rightmost side on my screen. That is Power BI with big data analytics, touch on big data storage, especially Fabric Warehouse and Lakehouse with Power BI integrations. So here it is, Power BI with Fabric environment forms DP-600 right side, whereas Synapse with Fabric forms DP-700 left side. DP-700 is a backend, DP-600 is a front end. Together is equal to the Fabric BI platform. Our course is into the right side, DP-600 activities. In DP-600, there are few important modules that are very, very important for even not only for certification, even for our job work also. Microsoft expects us to be prepared for data activities with respect to analysis, data preparations, and data enrichment activities. Microsoft helps us, or Microsoft expects us to be well prepared for implementation and management of Power BI semantic models. And Microsoft expects us well prepared for implementation and management of semantic activities. So maintenance of analytics assets, semantic activities, part of our classes. In DP-600, there are two important certification modules. Number one, maintenance of data analytics solution. Module 2, preparation of data. These two important modules consume majority of the questions from my observation. However, there is third module, implement and manage semantic models. Though you see 25 to 30% share of priority for interview questions, still module 1 and 2 always, they take major share. They actually get the entire stage. In our classes, we'll be starting from the scratch, from the basics of Fabric. Before that, we'll go for SQL concepts. This is an optional module. This is an optional module coming into SQL, but recommended. Then you'll proceed for actual Fabric DP-600 certification item with Copilot, Fabric Warehouse, Lakehouse with Power BI, KQL concepts, case studies, project work, and DP-600 guidance. Guidance includes certification scenarios, mock certifications, latest updated dumps. We'll take them in our classes. So choice is yours. You can opt for module 1 and 2, SQL with Fabric DP-600 examination course, or directly Fabric 600 examination course in case you're aware of SQL already. Choice is yours. What we learn in SQL? In SQL, we are going to learn from scratch good number of items pertaining to RDBMS concepts, normal forms, query tuning, common table expressions, CTEs, procedures, functions, views, triggers, synonyms, transactions, logs, linked servers, remote joins, etc., including temporary tables, log hints, subqueries, so on, with two important real-time case studies in healthcare domain. These 15 chapters and 2 case studies will be a solid, strong foundation for your next activity, DP-600, the next module. Very important, Fabric Data Analytics with Power BI. We'll start from the scratch. We learn all kinds of Power BI tools and techniques. We need to learn about Fabric with Power BI integrations, semantic models, 50 examples on Power Query, 50 examples on DAX, and 50 examples on cloud. Apart from this Power BI module with real-time project for your resume and job work, we have main activity, Copilot with AI in Fabric. We'll be learning about how to use Power BI with Copilot, how to use Power BI, Power Query and DAX with Copilot, how to use Power BI desktop with Copilot and cloud with Copilot. We are going to learn all these items practically so that you can get the best possible score in your resume. So complete certification guidance part of our classes with end-to-end real-time project work. To conclude, you can opt for either module 1 and 2 if you wanted to revisit MS SQL, revise MS SQL for strong foundation. If you're already aware of MS SQL concepts or working on it already, you can directly go for module 2, Fabric Data Analyst course. That includes Power BI, Copilot, DP-600 examination guidance, complete stuff. With this, we'll stop for today. Once again, before we conclude, I assure you practical step-by-step classes. I can assure you the best possible score in your certification. I need to keep in mind your job work. These certification questions may come in our job interview also, right? There is every possibility. And our certification orientation should be helping us for our day-to-day job work as well. So I need to bear in mind all these items. I assure you practical touch on every concept for your best understanding and best certification score. Please reach our team for your next step. Thank you so much. Have a nice time. Take care. Bye-bye.